Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with just a quick little video. I got inspiration from Kittenish Jess's video, which I will link it down below, where she goes through all of her Halloween sticker storage. So that's a really good watch because obviously it inspired me to make my own little rendition. I'm actually going to show you guys first the binder that I have all of my holiday stuff in, and she's thick. Despite the fact that I still took out all of my Halloween stuff, I think I'm going to also do a Christmas version, and I do have a red and white, or not red and white, a red, well, I do have red and white, a red with a silver hardware Simply Gilded album, which I'll go into that then. But right now I have all of my holiday seasonal items and a couple others in this, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this first just to get an idea. I do have a large amount of things that I need to film storage organizations for. The one most particular being that's changed the most is my script storage, but that is coming, I think, a month, maybe a little, I don't know. I'm just waiting on everything to be perfect because it's almost ready, but I want it to be perfect, so it's coming. So in this album, I have holiday and a couple other things. So I have Valentine's Day, spring, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, 4th of July, I think that's all and summer. So any holidays in there either too. Thanksgiving, which I have one sheet for, which actually could probably go in with my fall since I only have one sheet, right? And then I have winter, and then I have Christmas, and it's all loosely organized, for the most part. New Year's. Then I have wedding stuff, months, Rose Color Days date covers, some luxe items, and then also starry items. So I guess more of a themed binder. And then I just have some also little quote boxes up here that are Mother and Father's Day related. And I did have Halloween in there as well before. So basically when Halloween rolls around, I would take those pouches out. There'd be 3, I think, for Halloween, and I would pull them to the side and leave them on the side of my desk. They do end up going everywhere. They do end up a mess. They all end up at the end of the season just being one pile, and it's a wreck. So when I saw Kittenish Jess, she's done these videos before, and I was always I'm lazy. But today was the day. I messaged her, and I was like, girl, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this today. And she's like, do it. So I had this album just sitting behind me, waiting, asking to be made into a Halloween, which how cute is this for Halloween? Might switch it into, do I have black? I don't know. Might switch it into white later? I don't know. But also this is kind of spooky. I don't know. So anyways, let's go ahead and go into it. This took me about 15 minutes. And yeah, so this is a Simply Gilded sticker album. It's the larger one. I do have the smaller one in this size as well. I could use the smaller one if it wasn't for some of the character stickers are a little bit tall. I think the ones back here are. And then I also have some 15 millimeter washi strips, which would also be tall. So it's kind of room to grow. But I guess if I ever wanted to move it into a smaller album, it wouldn't be totally wild. So whenever you open it up, I do have just a little sticker I put over here from See Amy Draw. And then in this front pocket here is some stickers that are not Halloween related, but I want, the first time I would be using them is Halloween. So I'm actually going to be taking these out and putting them with the kit that it goes with. Some of the items in here, I already have moved into those kits prior to me even putting this album together. But basically, whenever this video is done, I will be going into my binder where I keep my kits and taking some decorative items out that I'm oh, I want to use this with Dead Inside. I'll put it with Dead Inside just so I remember ahead of time. So I'll actually be taking these out and putting them with my Halloween kit, and then whenever I am done using them for Halloween, I will go ahead and put them in with Thanksgiving because I will be using them Thanksgiving next. So because baby's first all the way through. So on the first page here, the Simply Gilded albums are double-sided. I love these pockets. They are more of a high quality pocket. They're actually more expensive than a lot of the other ones that you see in albums, and I just love them. So what I did on the front page here was just a little digital that I found on Etsy. I just Googled Halloween digital art print, and there was a pack, and I downloaded, I think there was 9 of them. So I just used 2 of those to kind of separate because I do have Halloween and fall in here just because I thought it worked. And as you'll see, I don't have that many fall stickers at all. So I thought that kind of looked cute and kind of gave it a spooky vibe. I don't know, I really like it. And I just basically on a basic printer, just printed it out on a 5x7 and just cut it with my little tiny itty bitty scissors, and it was all good. Sorry also if you could hear the fan in the background, but well, it's technically an air conditioning, but it's hot, so we got to. I'll kind of go over like how I like organize this. So for Halloween, I did organize them kind of by use, and then I did it different for fall. So for Halloween, I used things that you could like are kind of just like basic Halloween stuff in the first pocket, so I could use with like any spread, any like if I want to do like, I don't know, like going to Starbucks, I could just use a Starbucks cup, or if I was like putting that I wanted to decorate for Halloween, I could use any of these stickers. So kind of like basic, like non-specific. And then over here, I did put a bunch of more like specific, but still task items. So you have like wax melts, shopping bags, watching movies, planning, and just like a bucket list one on the front there. So just kind of an assortment. And then over here, I do have my character like costume, I guess. Well, actually, that's costume. These are more, I guess these are, we'll call them movies just to make it easy. So I have non-Disney movies over here. Obviously, there's some Disney characters on this sheet, but they're mostly non-Disney characters over here. And then on the right, I do have Disney movie characters, and then also these Disney movie ears. Usually whenever even in my character storage, if I need to put one category into two, I at least attempt to find like a differentiating factor that kind of splits them in half, so it's not as thick, but it's also not just like completely splitting them in half and just putting them in there, and then whenever you're looking for them, you have to take out both. So I could kind of be like, is it a Disney character or is it not? Then I can figure out what pocket it's in. And here, I did put the remaining characters, which are all costume based. So not necessarily, there are some like characters on here, but not necessarily fully character like movie based, but more just kind of like costumes. In this pocket, I do have some bucket lists. I just have the one from Randy Plans, and then I also have the one from Our Shop, Halloween specific bucket list. On the other side, I do have Halloween movies. I have the one from Our Shop, and then also the one from Letters to Apollo that was a $2 Tuesday. I got those ones in black. I also have a pocket over here for quote boxes. So I have a ton of different quote boxes from a ton of different shops. But I like having a variety, and I think they're super cute. What was I going to put in this page? I don't remember. I think I had the functional. We'll just leave this one blank because I think I had a reason for it, but I don't remember. Anyways, there's decorative items over here. So there's like mini deco and then like corner deco. Actually, for now, we'll just put like the mini deco over here. And then I'll put the corner and other deco over on the other side. So I have some like rose colored days, some Sadie's stickers, just some good stuff. I like keeping my like deco bits kind of plain so they match a lot of stuff. Over here, I do have headers, which I believe these are all Sadie stickers headers. I really love Alicia as far as like how much like variety of items she comes out with, and yeah, her $2 Tuesdays are like the best. Then I also have these like functional stickers, so cute, from Sadie Stickers. And then I also have the Sadie stickers, this one doesn't go here, but the 15 millimeter strips. So there's definitely room to grow based on like what people come out with. You never know, like $2 Tuesdays always throw me for a loop, and I'm like, I need it all, especially from Sadie Stickers, like I said, and also Letters to Apollo have really good $2 Tuesdays that are sometimes like holiday themed. I really love those. So I do have like a couple like rooms to grow here. And then I just put in this other print in here just to kind of like break it apart. I was looking for a fall specific print, but I couldn't find anything that I felt like really like matched, and also there wasn't any cute ones really that I found like in my quick little look. So for the fall ones, I decided to kind of split them up more based on the shop, just because I feel like I don't have that many at all. So the first one here is Stick with the Plan Co. Over here I have Once More with Love. Then on the back side, I do have one sheet from Pumpkin Paper Co. I think, not Pumpkin Paper Co. That's Pumpkin Paper Co. From Paper and Milk. And then I also have this here, which is a Thanksgiving sheet, which, like I said, I only have one. So I'm going to just go ahead and put that in there since there's only one Paper and Milk. Then for Pumpkin Paper Co. There's too many P's, guys. Oh, wait. Some of these are actually a little more spooky. These are all fall based, but then some of these are spooky. So I don't really know. I guess I wasn't really paying attention. But, oh, I think my thought process is that I could use those through fall too, because they're not like super spooky. They're just kind of like cutesy spooky. So she has a lot of really cute like outfit based ones. I never really know what to use most of these for. Obviously, there's some like you know, computers, and there's something else in here. I was like, oh, that's like kind of more specific. Maybe not. Like, I guess sleeping ones I could use for like sleeping, but like what should I use the like non ones for? They're so cute. Maybe just like basic stuff. I don't know. But I really like them, so they're in there. And then I also do have the bucket list. So again, I have the one from Randy.plans and then also the one from Our Shop, which is like a fall bucket list. And then I have some quote overlays that are fall related. I will have like, wait, where are my fall ones? Maybe I actually put them in with the kits already. So I have fall ones and then I'll also have Thanksgiving ones out. Yeah. Yeah, I will. Or wait, did I already come out with those? Where? Oh, they're with the kit. That's why. I'm like, where did they go? But those are with their kits already. And then in the back, like I said, I got my 15 millimeter strips, but there's definitely room to grow. I don't think I bought any like header overlays or full box overlays that are fall related, unless they're with the kits already. But maybe for Christmas, I don't think I've put anything in the Christmas with their kits yet. So maybe for Christmas, I will show you guys the album prior to me like pairing things off with the kits, just so that you guys can kind of like see like how it looks without things being missing. Also, I was thinking that if you use this size album and let's say like you have kits from this year that you bought that you didn't get to use, you could always put your extra like fall and Halloween kits in here, so you remember that you have them for next year, and they're kind of separate from like your anytime kits that you might have in your other storage as well. So I really just love this. I am so happy that I watched Jess's video. I mean, I always do, but like I was inspired. I was sitting at my desk. I had just cleaned it and I'm like, it's time for a project. And I was pulling my stickers and those stickers. And I was like, this is going to be a long Halloween with my stickers flying all over my desk. So I hope that you guys like this quick little video, and definitely go check out Jess's if you like anything like this organization and stuff. She puts up all different videos. So go check her out, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.